Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Learn Arabic with Quranic words. An easy and fun lesson for beginners. By me, Siham bint Zahra. Why learn Arabic? Understanding Arabic helps us understand the Quran better. Example, وَقُلْ رَبِّ زِدْنِي عِلْمًا Surah Taha, ayat number 114. Say, My Lord, increase me in knowledge. We will see a few letters with examples, Arabic alphabets with Quranic words. Alif, Allah. It means God. Allah means God. The second word is Bismi. Bismi means in the name of. Bismi means in the name of. The third word is Noor, which starts with the letter Nun. Noor means light. Noor means light. 10 common Quranic words. Let's see. Rahim means merciful. Noor means light. Haqq means truth. Sabr means patience. Kitab means book. Salam means peace. Iman means faith. Ard means earth. Huda means guidance. Khair means goodness. Let's practice and repeat after me. Say each word 3 times. Say it loudly. Let's start and repeat the words 3 times. Rahim, Noor, Haqq, Sabr, Kitab, Salam, Iman, Ard, Huda, Khair. Short Quranic phrases. We will see the short Quranic phrases. Alhamdulillah. It means all praise is due to Allah. Insha'Allah means if Allah wills. La ilaha illallah means there is no God but Allah. Interactive exercise. Say the meaning of Noor and the meaning of Haqq. Can you tell me the meaning of Noor and the meaning of Haqq? Write 3 words you learned today. Can you write 3 words you learned today? Now we go for conclusion and homework. Your homework will be: today we learned 10 Quranic words, 5 short phrases. Your task is memorize 3 words, write 1 short phrase in Arabic. In last, thank you for watching and subscribe for more lessons.